Eat the right way. Avoid these common mistakes. Millions of people eat bananas without realizing the right way to consume them or the incredible benefits they offer. Today, we bring you shocking information about bananas that you may not have heard before. But before we dive in, let's start with a few important questions. Do you have diabetes? Do you suffer from high blood pressure? What about heart or arterial diseases? Do you experience liver infections, laziness, or frequent forgetfulness? Do you suffer from prostatitis, digestive issues, stomach pain, colon ulcers, acne, or hair loss? Are you dealing with obesity or being overweight? If you answered yes to any of these questions, stick with us to learn how bananas can help address these issues. Support us by clicking the like button, subscribing to our channel, and activating the notification bell so we can continue bringing you valuable content. The wonders of bananas. Bananas are not just a tasty snack, they're a nutritional powerhouse with numerous health benefits. Eating just one banana daily can help you lose weight, reduce stomach bloating, fight cancer, boost energy levels, improve diabetes management, regulate blood pressure, support heart health. Let's explore these benefits in more detail. How to use bananas. You can enjoy bananas at any time of the day, morning, afternoon, or evening. Their benefits may vary depending on the time of consumption. Bananas can be eaten alone or added to recipes like banana pancakes, smoothies, or baked dishes with honey and cinnamon. Health benefits of bananas. Heart health. Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral essential for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by flushing out excess sodium through urination and relaxing blood vessel walls. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which supports cardiovascular health and prevents anemia. Energy boost. Packed with simple sugars like sucrose and fructose, bananas provide a quick and natural energy boost, making them a favorite among athletes. Nervous system support. Vitamin B6 in bananas promotes red blood cell production, helps remove harmful chemicals from the liver and kidneys, and supports the nervous system. Immune system support. Bananas are a good source of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and protects against infections. Digestive health. Bananas contain fiber and water, which improve digestive health and help manage inflammatory bowel conditions. Prostate health. Antioxidants in bananas such as phenolic compounds and carotenoids help protect against prostate issues, including cancer and benign prostatic hyperplasia. Weight management. Green bananas are particularly beneficial for weight loss because they contain pectin and resistant starch, which slow digestion and increase feelings of fullness. Pregnancy support. Bananas help relieve pregnancy-related constipation due to their high fiber content and reduce morning sickness thanks to vitamin B6. Liver. Bananas are rich in nutrients like potassium and vitamin C, which support liver function and help manage symptoms of liver conditions like hepatitis C. Kidney considerations. While bananas are safe for healthy individuals, those with kidney disease should consume them in moderation due to their potassium content, as excessive potassium can harm those with impaired kidney function. How many bananas should you eat? Adults can safely eat 1 to 2 bananas daily. Men are advised to eat up to 2 bananas, while women may benefit from 1 to 1.5 bananas. Eating a banana in the morning boosts energy, while having one before bed can promote restful sleep. Final thoughts. Bananas are an incredibly versatile and beneficial fruit suitable for everyone, from children to athletes to pregnant women. After learning about these amazing benefits, what's stopping you from adding bananas to your diet? Thank you for watching, and may you always stay healthy and well.